network tracing functions from core ArcGIS Pro.
Next, I would like to show you how to do network tracing in VertiGIS Utilities. You probably all know that geoprocessing toolbar from ArcGIS Pro, which they offer out of the box. This is a very complicated tool, but of course it also gives you very sophisticated network tracing results. But on the other hand, for that you have to train your employees accordingly that they are able to execute that. For us, that was a need to simplify the process, and we actually built a tool called Statistiche Trace, where you can do traces in a much easier way. And what we are doing now is finding isolation elements, so devices which are blocking the flow. So to do so, I actually need to select, okay, I want to find all the isolation devices, blocking or not blocking. I limit my trace to 5 kilometers and I zoom to my result at the end when the trace is finished. Then, of course, we need to define a start flag to start the trace. And for that, we actually go into the area of this bridge, of this Duker, and so I just zoom there. So you see the isolation devices blocking the flow or zone, the area by valves. So anything happens underwater, the gas can be blocked here. So I will place my start flag in that street on this green line, which represents a medium pressure pipe. And I actually start my trace. No more settings to do. So when the trace is done, the results will be shown. And you see in the south part, it actually stops at the bridge. And then in the northeastern part, it's actually blocked by that area where that station is, and also there on the left side, on the west side, there's a station blocking or finishing that trace. Here you see the results, and it's actually showing in that pie diagram, pie chart, the numbers of the found elements, a lot of distribution pipes and other devices. You also see that the total length of the found pipes are summed up. The results of these traces are then displayed right here in my object list. So you can find pipes, the components, connectors, sleeve, and of course, very important, also these valves, which we used as a limiter.